Добрый вечер, дамы и господа, добрый вечер, леди, добрый вечер, джентльмены. Мы начинаем первый бой в красном углу ринга. Владислав Позняк, Республика Беларусь. Бойцу 20 лет, 4 боя, 1 победа, 3 поражения. Спортивный клуб «Спартак Бобруйск».
Hello everyone, I am David Kuchashvili and this is M1 Global channel, which presents Road to NFG 2. And the first fight is Vladislav Poznyak with the record of 4 wins and 3 losses. He's 20 years old. He represents Belarus, where we are right now, because this tournament is in Belarus, in Minsk city. And today we will see 10 fights.
Tayhanov, 19 лет, первый профессиональный бой. Академия ММА Минск. Чемпион Туркменистана по карате, чемпион Республики Беларусь по карате, чемпион мира по карате. Abdulla Tayhanov.
And his opponent Abdulla Tayhanov, 19 years old. He has debuted today. He's a karate specialist, champion of Belarus and Turkmenistan, and champion of the world. Once he got it, today he has a debut in MMA, and he's going to fight against Vladislav Poznyak, who is more experienced fighter. We'll see who gonna win today. Really interesting fight. The event card is filled with extremely intriguing confrontations. Semi-final Grand Prix will be in 3 weight categories today: featherweight, lightweight and welterweight. And the main event of the evening will be a super fight of 120 kilos heavyweight Vladimir Buri against an experienced knockout artist Sergey Alexeyevich, whose weight is much as 30 kilograms less. Who will come out of the cage as a winner? We'll find out today. A lot of work has to be done to help to hold this event here in Minsk, Belarus, but we're here today for the 3rd time.
Гран-при в категории до 66 килограмм в красном углу ринга. Боец спортивного клуба «Спартак Бобруйск». Неоднократный победитель областных соревнований по вольной и греко-римской борьбе. Серебряный призер первенства Республики Беларусь по грэпплингу. Победитель турнира NFG. Победитель турнира «Стрелка». Владислав Позняк!
Vladislav Poznak is a fighter who has experience in wrestling and grappling.
Первый профессиональный бой, 19 лет. Чемпион Туркменистана по карате, чемпион Республики Беларусь по карате, чемпион мира по карате. Abdulla Tayhanov. Рефери в октагоне Пивоваров Андрей.
Last call from referee Andrei Pivovarov.
Слушай моей команды. Приветствие. Красивый бой покажите.
So today we have a fight of styles, because Abdulla Tayhanov represents karate. He is a champion of Belarus and Turkmenistan, and once he was a champion of the world. But his opponent Vladislav Poznyak, with the red tape, as you can see, is a wrestling specialist, but he got on the ground. Look at this fight. This fight is already on the ground, and Abdulla Tayhanov tries to take his opponent deep into the deep waters, tries to choke him out. Whether he is capable of doing it, we will see right now. Right now is a good choke because he had it tightly. Right now it depends on Vladislav Poznyak whether he is ready to... No, he wasn't ready, he was out already. He is still out. Look at the final of this fight. Look how this fight ended. Just amazing, guys. Abdulla Tayhanov choked the wrestler and the grappler out. I didn't expect that, I should say, because Abdulla Tayhanov is a karate specialist, and I thought that he was going to fight in a stand-up and try to use the distance, but as you can see of this fight, how it ended, Abdulla Tayhanov is well-experienced fighter and well-rounded, which is important.
Дамы и господа, в первом раунде на 25-й секунде удушающим приемом побеждает боец Академии ММА Минск Абдулла Тайханов!
Abdulla Tayhanov from Minsk and MMA Academy is a winner of this fight. Congratulations!
No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up. No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast, I can roast, I